Whether you are a professional or a do-it-yourselfer, we can all agree that getting a portable cement mixer is one of the best decisions you could ever make. Here, we are going to introduce you Excalibur cement mixers. Excalibur mixer capacity is ranging from 80 liters to 450 liters. Don't be quick to judge its compact size. Its possibly unit can handle anything from concrete, plaster, drywall mud, etc. You can even use it on your farm to treat seed before planting, mix compost or fertilizers. The small, compact size makes it the perfect mixers for projects around the house or farm. Excalibur SM120 is equipped with a 550-watt belt-driven electric motor with a direct drive gearbox. Since it's a no-load motor, it can reach speed up to 2,800 RPM. Voltages and plugs are customized according to customer country standard. The unit is fitted with two 9-inch rubber wheels to let you conveniently move it anywhere you like. The drum has a 370mm diameter opening and can be tipped up to 360 degrees, and you can hold up to 96 liters dry mix capacity. It measures 1,050mm long, 700mm wide, and 1,250mm high. Compared with the electric cement mixers, the towable cement mixer is more giant in appearance. This unit is more suitable for small to medium-sized building projects. Excalibur SM350 can be equipped with a 6.5 horsepower gasoline engine, 7 horsepower to 10 horsepower diesel engine, or 3 kilowatt electric motor. The mixing speed can reach up to 35 RPM. 17-inch large wheels and towable handle make the unit easy to move to any location. Cast iron gear ring makes the service life even longer. The drum has a 440mm diameter opening and can be tipped up to 360 degrees. As well, it can hold up to 280 liters dry mix capacity. It measures 2,600mm long, 960mm wide, and 1,370mm high. For more detailed options, please visit our website or consult our salesperson.